I'm going to launch another product this year. Now, can you tell me what would be the best launching strategy?
Here at Ecomclips, we follow a special checklist for our clients, and guess what? We have a high success rate, and it contains everything you need for a successful Amazon product launch, and we have updated it for 2025, so it's gonna be beneficial for both new and existing Amazon sellers. Before launching a new product, make sure you have checked all the things that we have in this list. We have organized this checklist into 3 stages. So what do we need to do in pre-launch stage? First of all, you need an Amazon seller account. A professional seller account would be better. If you already have an account, then it's time for finding a perfect product. For a perfect product, you need to do a proper product research. For that task, you can use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. Choosing the right product is super important because your success depends on the product you sell. A great product has 3 criteria: high demand, low competition, and good profit margin. Let's say you got your perfect product. Now it's time for analyze your competitors. Check your competitors' listings, get idea about their selling strategy, and try to find a gap. Here is a quick tip. Always look your competitors' review. See what customers love and what they complain about. This will help you to find a gap in the market. And when you find the gap, you can develop a product that can fill that gap, and this way you can stand out from your competitors. Now you know what product you are gonna launch on Amazon, but you need to source it first. Most of the sellers love sourcing product from Alibaba, but you can do a different thing. You can check other countries so that your product become unique and no one can copy it. During searching your supplier, always check their authenticity and history. Make sure to find at least 3 to 4 suppliers that can provide your product. Compare their pricing, product quality, and other requirements. Then make sure they have the proper logistics setup. That means they can send the product to your location. Then check all the legal compliance before ordering a sample. After getting the sample, you need to test it yourself and make sure it fulfill all your requirements. Meanwhile, you should apply to Amazon for your brand registry, because brand registry will give you a lot of benefits, like you can get utilize A+ content, brand story, and if anyone tries to hijack your listing, you can solve it so easily. To list your product on Amazon, you need a UPC code. You can find a UPC code from GS1, and keep in mind that you should avoid the third-party UPC providers. After getting the UPC code, you need to secure your trademark. It would be best if you use IP Accelerator for this task. Researching keywords, you can start by using Amazon search bar. As you type, it suggests popular search terms that customers are already looking for. Check competitors' listing to identify commonly used words in top-selling products. After researching keywords, you have to create SEO content. Alright, you got the keywords. Now use them for SEO indexing. Start with strong title that includes your main keywords to improve search visibility. Write bullet points in clear and simple way so they are easy to read. Focus on the key benefits of your product and explain why it's useful. Use easy to understand language without complicated words. When you're done with your SEO content, then you need to focus on your graphics. The first thing people see on Amazon is the main image, but in the search result, your item is not the only item. So if your main image cannot grab eyes, you are not getting clicked. So your main image should have a clean white background to meet Amazon's requirement and ensure a professional look. To make your listing more engaging, use lifestyle images and infographics. Also start working on your A+ content because it's a great way to increase conversion. The next step is very crucial, which is pricing strategy. Here you can see we follow this pricing strategy for a newly launched product. Now that all are ready, such as your product, SEO content for the listing, images, graphics, and all the other things. Then it's time for setup FBA. Send your products to Amazon warehouse and make sure your inventory is ready. Now it's time for set up a launch date. When you think you are ready to launch your product, mark your calendar and prepare for that date. Now we can move forward for the second stage, which is launching stage. If you're ready to launch your product, double check everything. Make sure there is no mistakes in your listings, product details and images because those can hurt your sales. Make sure pricing is competitive but still profitable. Now ensure you have enough inventory. You don't want to run out of stock right after launching. Amazon prefers sellers who keep stock available all the time. Calculate how much stock you need for the first weeks. Consider seasonal demands and promotions that may increase your sales. Next step is create a strong marketing strategy. No one will buy your product if they don't know about it. You need a solid marketing plan. Use Amazon PPC campaign to drive traffic to your listing. Also promote your products on social media, do influencer marketing, post blogs about your products. You can offer a limited time discount to encourage sales and reviews. A great marketing strategy helps attract buyers quickly and build a momentum. Another crucial step is setting up your canonical URL for ranking higher on the search result. The best time for setting up your canonical URL is the very beginning when you are creating your listing. If you successfully checked all the things I have mentioned, then you are finally ready to launch your product. But launching a product on Amazon is just the beginning. Now it's time to move forward to our stage number 3, which is post-launch phase. First of all, try to get reviews because they build trust and help convert buyers. Next, run PPC ads to keep your product visible. Start with sponsored product ads. Use automatic targeting first and adjust your budget based on performance. Next, make sure you are updating your inventory regularly. Running out of stock can hurt your ranking, so check your sales data, use Amazon's restock report and plan ahead if you are using FBA. Another key thing is to remember is the honeymoon period. Amazon gives new products a ranking boost for the first few weeks, so take advantage of this time by optimizing your listing. Finally, create a replenishment plan to ensure you never run out of stock. Track your sales trends, order inventory in advance, and send shipments to Amazon on time. At Ecomclips, we make sure to follow everything from this checklist to come up with the best strategies for each and every product we launch. You can follow this checklist by yourself for your product, or you can count on us and leave the hard work for the experts. We stay consistent with your reviews, ads, and inventory management. Also, we keep an eye on your data, adapt to market trends, and always be ready to tweak strategy. The good news is, it's not hard to find us. We are always here to help you. Just give us a call and say, hey, I'm facing this problem. We are ready to give you a free consultation. Or email us at info@ecomclips.com with your concern and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Yes, it's that simple. So see you in the next video. God bless Amazon.